So I have to find out the value of XL. So XL means 2 pi FL, that is 2 into the value of pi will be 3.14 and the value of F is 50 and L is given 31.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now by solving we will get 10 ohm. Then put the value in Excel. So R square, that is the value, is 7 square plus XL is 10 square, that equal to 49 plus 100, which is equals to 12.2 ohm, and Z equal to 12.2 ohm. Now we got the value of Z. So Z equals to 12.2 ohm, which is equals to, the I will be 18.84 ampere. The second one is phase angle. The phase angle is represented by phi. So then power factor, the phi will be get from the power factor cos phi. So first let me know the value of phi. So power factor cos phi equals to R by Z. R is 7 and Z is 12.2, which is equals to 0.574 lagging. Since it is a inductive circuit, so it will be lag the current behind the voltage. So phi will be cos phi equals to 0.574. so phi will be cos inverse 0.574, which is equals to 55.2 degree. Now I will get the power consumed. The fourth one is power, that equal to P equal to VI cos phi. V is 230 volt and I is 18.84 and cos phi is 0.57, that equal to P will be 2487 watt. The next question I am going to solve: a resistance of 20 ohm, inductance of 0.2 Henry and capacitance of 100 microfarad are connected in series across 220 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Determine impedance, current, voltage across R, L, C, power factor and the angle of lagging. So let me draw a RLC series circuit. This is R, this is L, this is C. This is the supply voltage, 220 volt 50 Hz supply, given R equal to 20 ohm, F equal to 50 Hertz, L equal to 0.2 Henry, C equal to 100 mu farad. To convert from mu farad to farad, just we have to multiply a 10 to the power minus 6, then we will get 10 to the power 4. The C or the capacitance will be 10 to the power 4 farad. Now asking impedance. Impedance can be written by Z, and Z equals to square root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Now I have to find out XL and XC. So what is XL? XL is the inductive reactance, that is 2 pi FL, or 2 into pi means 3.14 into 50 into L is 0.2, which is equals to 62.8 Henry. Now I have to get the value of XC. So XC means 1 by omega C, or 1 by 2 pi FC. So 1 by 2 into pi means 3.14 into F means 50 into 10 to the power minus 4, that is C. So the value of XC will be 62.8 Henry. I have already calculated the value. You can use calculator by get the value. Now put the value of XL and XC in this place. So the value of R will be 20 whole square plus 62, that is XL 62.8 minus XC is XC is 31.8 farad. 31.8 farad whole square. So 20 square plus 31 square. Then impedance will be Z equals to 36.8 ohm, or which is near about 37 ohm. Now asking for current. So I will be V by Z. The value of V is 220 by Z is 36.8, which means 5.95 ampere, or near about 6 ampere. Then the third bit is voltage across R, L and C. Voltage across R, L and C. That means voltage across, as we know, voltage across R, that is VR, in L, VL, and C, that is VC, and the current will be VR is IR, VL is IXL, and VC is IXC. So the voltage across resistance, that is VR, that equal to IR, which means V equals to I equals to 6 ampere and R is 20 ohm, that equal to 120 volt. Voltage across inductance, that is IXL, which is 6 into current is 6 ampere and XL is 63. XL we have already find out the value of XL, that is equal to 62.8 Henry, which is near about 63 Henry. 63, that equal to now the fourth one is power. Power P equal to VI cos phi, but we know cos phi is power factor, that is in the fifth one. So first I have to find out the power factor, that is power factor represent as cos phi, that equal to R by Z. So R is equals to, so the value of R is 20 and Z is 37 ohm. 37, which is equals to cos phi equals to 0.54. Now power VI cos phi equals to V equals to 220 volt and I equals to 6 ampere and power factor is 0.54, which is equals to 713 watt. So power P equals to 713 watt. The fifth one is power factor and the angle of lagging. Here we have already find out the value of power factor, that is 0.54, but the angle of lagging will be cos phi equals to 0.54, phi equals to cos inverse 0.54, which is equals to 57.32 degree. So guys, hope you will understand. Thank you.